Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from TikTok shop. I said in my last video, and I will say again, TikTok for me is very, very dangerous. It seems everybody is doing TikTok shop, and you do find some really, really great bargains on there. Right, this first purchase, it's something I don't really need, but because of the price of it, I thought, why not? So it basically is tripod. It's absolutely huge once you open it up. It's got like 3 adjustable legs, which makes it extremely tall. The instruction things are inside, so I'm sure that will tell us how much it is, but not how much it is, how tall it is, but I can't be bothered to open it up. But I got it for a tenner. Like I say, something I don't need, but you never know. You never know. Right, next I got some IsoClean. What is all this coming from? IsoClean. So it's a makeup brush cleaner. I wouldn't say it's an actual cleaner because you don't use water. I'd say it's more of a spot, on the spot cleaner. You know, like if you use an eyeshadow and you want to use it for something else, you just sort of, I don't even know how to open this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, so you get this little cap. Oh, it says here, you pour in your liquid, put your brush in there, swirl it around for a few seconds, and then get a towel and wipe it off. I've used this so many times, not this one, but I've bought this so many times and I really, really love it. And the price I wrote down here, it should have been £12 for 165 mils, but I paid £11.76, so only a few pence cheaper. And then also you get 165 ml free, buy one get one free, so this can will fill the whole of that. But how cool is that can? Like a mini can of Coke. So yes, there's that. Let me stick that in. Okay, this is the one I was talking about in my my last TikTok video, that I had ordered excuse me, some of the cream eyeshadows from Made by Mitchell. I opened it up. That's not supposed to be in there, but I haven't, you know, opened up the boxes. So there are 6 Lonely Hearts Club cream eyeshadow gel glaze. Now this bundle is worth £72, so it works out to be £12 a pop. I paid £14.42 for all of them, so that is an amazing saving. So I'm gonna need some there we go. I don't really want to break the box. So this one is Light It Up. I love the packaging. Really, really like the packaging. Yeah. Oh, please have a little lip. Oh, it doesn't. How annoying. Let's see if I can open this. Oh. Yes. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up these ones and then I'll be back. Okay, shall I just, can I zoom in now that, there we go. Right, so this one is Light It Up, and it was quite easy to open these actually. Which looks like that. Shall I swatch it? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh God. There you go. I love that. That'll be nice for a highlighter. You don't just have to use these on your eyes. You can use them on your cheeks, even on your lips if you felt the need to. This one is Bronze and Buff. I did open it. Oh, that's a bit annoying. Oh, there we go. Beautiful bronze, and wipe that. Yeah, they're lovely and creamy. Oh my God, I love that. That is beautiful. Gorgeous. Then Sweet Beat. How pretty that is. Hang on. I need to wipe it off my finger properly. Gorgeous pink. I don't know if you can see that. I have something obstructing my view. Then for a grey day, I'm excited for this one. Look at that. Beaut. Wow. Look at that, just one swipe. That is insane. Did I tell you the prices of these? Yeah, I did. And then, oh, and this one. Ecliptic. This is bloody gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to get this. Oh my God. Look. Again, look, one swipe. Oh my God. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then the last one, which is Pink Monday. Look at this one. It's bloody gorgeous. Look. Again, just one swipe. That is insanely pigmented. Oh, let me bring you down a bit. Hang on. There. Oh, I've put it on a really awkward. Absolutely stunning. I love them so much. Right, wipe this off my arm. Okay, sugar. And then the last thing, I ordered this from, I was going to say here, TikTok shop, obviously. BPerfect Cosmetics. I've not opened this. So this is one of their mystery, what did I write down here? BPerfect Cosmetics Makeup Mystery Box. Now the value of this is £80.75. It was going with a £30. And with, I don't know what they're, vouchers or coupons, whatever it is, I ended up paying £28.47. So again, another bargain. Let me, oh, I thought that was tissue paper. Oh my god. Okay. I've seen a lot of people talking about this. It's the BPerfect Cosmetics Silky Glow Gradual Tanning Moisturiser. This is in light to medium. Oh look, and it says there baby powder scented. I don't use fake tan. Moisturising organic shea butter. Skin nourishing aloe vera leaf extract. Natural and organic active ingredients. Sounds delightful, but I don't use fake tan. If I did, I don't think I'd want to have a light to medium tan. If I was going to fake tan it, I would go dark. Do you know what I'm saying? But I will pass that on. Yeah, I'll pass that on to one of my white friends, I guess. Right, next thing. We have the Empress Base and Body Brush. I guess that will go hand in hand with that. Let's have a little look. Ooh, looks very nice. That is a big old brush. It's quite dense. I was thinking maybe I could use it for foundation, but no. If anything, I would use this for like body highlight, you know, like your shoulders, collarbone, that kind of thing. So yeah, sorry for the bloody noise. Okay, let me, a bit better. Okay, then next up we have a lip liner, Pout Line in Bite Me. Oh, this is a brown. Okay, oh that's nice. Do you know what's she called? P. Louise. You know when I did that mystery, I got a mystery box from her from TikTok shop. There was a lip liner in there. It's really light. So I put it on my waterline and it works perfect. So I will be using a lip liner for for an eyeliner. Anyway, so this says double glazed, colour rich high shine gloss. This is an iced latte. Oh god, it's sealed. How am I gonna do this? There we go. Okay, this reminds me of a Soap and Glory lip gloss that I've got. Jeez, did you see that? Okay, so there's a little dofa. Smells beautiful, like really sweet. That's nice. Oh, that's lovely. Perfect colour for me. Really, really like that. And then lastly, I am so happy about this. Let me move them over. So happy about this. So we got the BPerfect Cosmetics Rain Makeup by Alina. Let's open this beauty up. I'm so excited for this. I've seen it all over TikTok. Oh, it opens up like what's it called? The Nikki Tutorials palette with Beauty Bay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that one. It's like a blue and it's got like kind of this colour pink glitter in it. Oh, they're stunning. Oh, I love it so much. Gorgeous. So that is everything that I got from the TikTok shop. I need to keep well away from it for the time being. I'm sure I'll be on there anyway. Because, yeah, Christmas is coming and I've got things that I want to buy my mum and some close friends. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Take care and you will see me next time. Bye for now.